शिवोऽहं 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 शिवो
Guruji, part B of Sri Vidya Sadhana is very challenging for me. My mind wanders and I feel deeply uncomfortable. And I have noticed that this compulsive pattern of distracting myself, of not being fully present, is my normal state of being even outside of the sadhana. Is it okay if I do the mantra japa at this time? Or should I focus on the breathe and cultivate the practice of staying present? You see that whenever I say be in a silence, it is not possible for all sadhaka to be in the silence, to hold your attention on your breathe for a long time. Maybe few seconds in the beginning, then few minutes. Okay, but we have to cultivate this meditative technique, this quality, this skill to be in a silence, to be with our breathe, to be in a present moment every day. That's what it's a part B, where you do all the sadhana, all doing is completed in part A. In part B, you are in a surrender state of non-doing and in a receiving state of divine grace. So even it is a few seconds, please do it. This is very important. From so many years, from the birth until now, some of you maybe 30 years, 40 years, we have been trained our mind to jump here and there, think so many times, so many different topics and handle so many different projects. That is considered one of the successful skill in the outside world. But that is same skill is not good for a meditative sadhak in the inner world. So that habit make your mind to jump here and there. When you want to be without doing anything, you feel disturbed, distracted, agitated, something is missing, something is wrong, all those feelings will start happening because subconsciously we trained that we have to be engaged, we should be doing something in some activities, then only we are good like this worldly culture and all of this. In meditation, it is more of a silence, more of a attentive, more of a watching or witnessing the things. That is the opposite to the worldly nature. So few minutes if possible do it, few seconds if possible do it. Then if you want, you can chant the mantra that you are mentioned, whatever it is possible, you do it. Okay.
शिवोऽहं 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 शिवो